This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Local, the popular WordPress development tool. So I'm right here on the main download page at localwp.com. Now I'll put that link in the video description so you can just click on the link and you'll wind up on this page right here. So right to the top we have download for free. We can also get hosting if you're interested in that. We will click on this big green button for download for free. And you will now enter your details right here, and there's first name, last name. You'll choose your platform right here. You can use a different email if you don't want to actually use your real email, as they'll obviously send you some marketing stuff and all of that good stuff. So it's free, and it always will be, as they tell you right here. You will just click on get it now, and that will save the installer directly to your downloads location. Now I'm on Google Chrome, so and I have a Mac, so it will save the file directly to the downloads folder. Now, depending on your browser, your downloads folder might vary. And the other thing to note as well, whether you're on Windows, whether you're on Mac like I am, it will know that instantly, so it will allow you to download the correct version directly from here. So hopefully you found this video on how to find and download Local, the WordPress development tool. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like